I'm going to be telling you what I wish I knew before starting YouTube. I advise that you should stay on this video to just understand some things. You get me? I know people have put out videos on their different experience. I believe you need to watch different videos to understand what you are actually coming into. You understand me? So I'm going to give you about 4 to 5 points to tell you what I wish I really knew before starting YouTube. You get me? I mean, everyone has experience. Everyone has a different experience, and I believe that we should all share this experience for growth. You understand me? So my number 1 point is, I kind of wrote them down. I wish I knew YouTube takes time. You understand me? I wish I knew YouTube takes time. You get me? When we over expect, you get me, we expect to see results ASAP, but it doesn't work like that. YouTube take times. No matter how you are doing the thing correctly, YouTube take time. You get me? You cannot just come on here on social media to blow up ASAP. You get me? I know, yeah, people do that, but you get me? But when you know you're looking for something genuine, you know you're looking for something real, you get me? When you want to build a personal brand, I mean, it takes time. You get me? I believe that every big person you see on there, every big person you see on YouTube, you get me, was once like you. Get me? The Mr. Beast, I mean, we all make example of Mr. Beast. You understand me? We all make, I mean, Mr. Beast said he didn't get any, I think before he got his 1,000 subscriber, he was on YouTube for like a year, and he had to do plus 100 videos, plus 200 videos. You get me? So I believe that people who are actually going to be successful are going to be slow in their growth, because they're actually building something genuine. You understand me? So I mean, you need to understand the process. You need to enjoy the process. You get me? I mean, I don't enjoy the process, but you just have to enjoy the process. You have to understand that, I mean, this is what builds you. You get me? You have to go through this process. My number 2 point is a lot easier said than done. You get me? It's a lot easier said than done. You get me? You get to see all these people saying, just go to YouTube, go and do this, go and do that. But I promise you, it's a lot easier said than done. It's not what you're going to play. You get me? You don't come to YouTube to play. You get me? You have to put your thumbnails right. You have to put your titles right. You have to do all these things right. And God help you, the video works out, because YouTube can be kind of trickish. You get me? You just have to stick on to YouTube. I mean, in as much as, okay, you get this 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 3,000 views on this particular video, tomorrow it might not be the same. Tomorrow it might be 3 views, tomorrow it might be 2 views. And I mean, would you be angry? Why would you be angry? I mean, this is what you choose. You get me? So I mean, you have to understand that. So you have to put your thumbnails well, you have to put your titles well, you have to edit. You get me? I mean, it's a lot easier said than done. I mean, people just say, do this, but I mean, it's a full-time job, man. It's a full-time job. You need to give your all in this shit. Game. I remember when I started YouTube 1 month ago. That month was so deep. Like, I was like, every day I'm seeing videos on how to do this, and I'm so confused. You get me? I'm so like, I just believe that when you're at that particular point of that confusion, I mean, don't ever give up. You get me? I know it can be overwhelming, but don't give up at that particular stage. I mean, everyone has that experience. You get me? That first month, that second month. I mean, it's so a new thing, you get me? So, I mean, just stick with what you want and put your eyes on the ball. My number 3 point is, you have to treat YouTube like a business. You get me? Not a side hustle. You have to treat YouTube like a business, not a side hustle. You understand me? I mean, most of us, we all think we want to just create video, do this, and then you can't continue to do what you're doing. It doesn't work like that. You have to treat YouTube like a business. You have to give YouTube your all. You have to be there for 2/4. You have to be there 2/7. You have to do it strategically. You get me? You cannot just treat YouTube as some kind of small business or side hustle. I mean, YouTube pays a lot. When you invest in YouTube a lot, I mean, YouTube is going to show you its goodness. You get me? I mean, there are people making a hell out of money on YouTube. So I mean, don't sleep on YouTube. I promise you, don't sleep on this YouTube. You get me? I mean, it's going to look like it's not for you, but I promise you, when you take your time, when you do what is right, when you put your all, I promise you that you're going to see that you're going to bless that day that you never give up. Okay? My number 4 point is, I wish I knew starting YouTube was the hardest. You get me? I wish I knew starting YouTube was the hardest. You get me? People will just say, just start. You get me? Just start. But they don't really tell you when they started. They don't really tell you what you face. They don't really tell you the struggle you face at that point of starting. You get me? People just say, just start YouTube, just do this, just start. I mean, don't wait for the perfect time, wait for the perfect time, and all of that. You get me? But they don't really tell you what it is like. That first month, that 3 weeks, that second month, it is exhausting. And I promise you, if you're not strong, you'll quit. You'll quit. I promise you. If you're not strong, you'll quit. So, I mean, starting YouTube is a hard stuff, and it's something that you would have to decide that, okay, this is what you want to do. You understand me? To be on YouTube, because YouTube is tricky. YouTube is confusing. I mean, like, some days you have this view, some days you don't have this view, and what can you do? You have to just keep on posting. You get me? You have to just keep on posting. You get me? That's just the way. That's how it works. My number 5 point is YouTube is overwhelming. You get me? I wish I knew YouTube was overwhelming. You get me? I mean, there's so many things it does to you. I mean, it drains you emotionally, physically. Get me? Like, sometimes you see people editing video for 2 days, for 3 days. You get me? Just to put one video. You get me? And sometimes that video doesn't blow up. You get me? So it's overwhelming. It fucks with you. It plays with your mental health. It plays, like, you get me? I mean, this is just one of those things. You get me? I mean, in this life there's disadvantages, advantage. You get me? So you have to just be strong. You have to just know what you have to just know what you are here for. Okay? I mean, you have to know what you are here for. You have to be strong. You have to understand YouTube. You have to continue to learn every day. You get me? I promise you that anybody who you see doing out there, anybody who you see doing good out there, the Mr. Beast and all of that, they put a lot of work to this shit. You get me? It was not easy. They put a lot of work to that shit, and you have to put a lot of work to what you want to do. You get me? I believe no one in this place wants to be average. Everyone wants to get what they want. You get me? You know, on this channel we talk about self-motivation, we talk about money, finances, we talk about why you need to be unique, why you need to be real. You get me? I mean, self-improvement and all of that. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna be so happy if you do that. That's if you watched to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Thank you, and God bless.